Hello everyone, I'm Oliver with 10 Lockforming machines, and today we're going to show you how to adjust a Pittsburgh Lockformer. We will go through two key adjustments that you can make to get your Pittsburgh lock to look more professional and clean. The first adjustment that you will make is adjusting your in-feed bars. In-feed bars, also called adjustable guide bars, are positioned at the entry of the Pittsburgh Lockformer and help guide the metal through the rollers. Adjusting in-feed bars is crucial since they control the angle at which the metal enters the machine. If they are not set properly, the metal will enter the machine at a wrong angle, which may lead to a crooked profile. On each in-feed bar you will see two bolts which need to be loosened. For this step you will need a 5mm Allen key. Loosen the two bolts and adjust the position of your in-feed bars. Usually it takes some experimentation. In most cases you will need around 3 test profiles before you get the position right. Once the in-feed bars are set correctly, it's time to move on to the out-feed bars. The out-feed bars are located on the other side of the table where the metal exits the machine. Firstly, loosen the two bolts on the out-feed bar and move it all the way back so that your metal does not touch it at all when it exits the machine. After that, feed a sheet of metal into your Lockformer and wait until it comes out of the machine. Once the profile exits, stop the machine and adjust the out-feed bars so that they properly support the metal coming out. At this point, it's important that at least 2 rollers still hold the metal inside the machine. It prevents the metal from twisting and shifting while you're making your adjustments. Also, make sure that your out-feed bars only support the metal, not pushing on it. If they apply extra pressure, it might negatively affect the quality of your profile. Once both the in-feed bar and the out-feed bar have been adjusted, we can move on to adjusting the tightness between the rollers. This adjustment is very important since it will determine how clean and professional your Pittsburgh lock will look at the end. And here's how you do it. First, unplug your machine and take the top cover off of the Lockformer. Inside the machine you will see that the rollers are mounted on 2 racks, the lower rack and the upper rack. Adjusting the distance in between the 2 racks will adjust how tightly the rollers will press on the metal. On the upper rack you will see 3 sets of nuts as well as 2 bolts. They are used to adjust the spacing between the racks. The bolts move the racks further apart and the nuts bring them closer together. When making these adjustments, go slowly. We recommend turning the wrench about 1/8 of a turn at a time. Small adjustments will give you better control and prevent over-adjusting the machine. Now let's talk about a common issue called oil canning. If your Pittsburgh Lockformer makes oil canning on your Pittsburgh profile, usually it means that the last rollers on your machine are set too tightly. To fix this while keeping the correct shape of your lock, you can adjust the last rollers to set them a little bit further apart from each other and at the same time bringing the middle rollers closer together. This usually removes oil canning while maintaining a strong and properly formed Pittsburgh lock. That's it for the basic adjustments of a Pittsburgh Lockformer. I hope this video helped you to get a cleaner and more consistent profile from your machine. If you're interested in our Lockformer or any other machine from our catalog, please visit our website stengroup.ca, and I will see you in the next video.